Number 5. Furhaven Pet Plush Orthopedic Sofa. Ergonomic contour mattress, self-warming high-low cuddler. Calming anti-anxiety hooded donut, dog bed and more for dogs and cats. Multiple styles, sizes, and colors. Pet-friendly design, the bed features an L-shaped chaise design with dual bolsters that promote security and provide additional high loft cushion support for headresters, and a cozy nestling nook for burrowers. It's perfect for sprawlers and cuddlers. Sleep surface. The sleep surface is lined with ultra plush faux fur, while the bolsters are wrapped in easy care micro suede. Both are soft to touch fabrics. Number 4. K&H Pet Products Coolin Comfort Bed. Ultra thick cooling orthopedic pet bed. Orthopedic comfort bed provides the ultimate support for arthritis, hip dysplasia, excessive panting, and more. Cooling dog bed uses no electricity and contains no toxic gels. Recommended for indoor and outdoor use. Just add water to provide consistent cooling comfort. Orthopedic foam core aids in medical recovery and cooling surface, helps most skin conditions. Number 3. The Green Pet Shop Dog Cooling Mat. Pressure activated gel cooling mat for dogs. This pet cooling mat keeps dogs and cats comfortable all summer. Avoid overheating, ideal for home and travel. The original self-cooling gel pad for dogs, the Green Pet Shop Pressure Activated Cooling Pet Mat provides chilled relief for your dogs and cats. It's the perfect solution if your pet struggles to stay cool and comfortable in the summer heat. It's automatic. This self-cooling pad for dogs works without water, electricity or refrigeration. The patented gel formula automatically recharges after 15 to 20 minutes of non-use. This dog cool pad is a must-have item if your home doesn't have air conditioning. Number 2. Coolaroo, the original elevated pet bed. Suspended platform provides added comfort by creating low-impact areas to pressure points and joints. Breathable high-density polyethylene (HDP) fabric that helps eliminate hot spots. Flea, mite, mold and mildew resistant. Easy to wash and maintain. Features a lightweight, yet strong powder-coated steel frame that is extremely durable for pets of all sizes. Number 1. Furhaven Pet Cooling Pads for Dogs. Plush orthopedic sofa, mid-century dog bed frame. Calming donut dog bed. Travel dog bed with stuffed sack. And more for dogs and cats. Pet-friendly design, the bed features a classic sofa design with 3-sided bolsters that promote security and provide additional high-loft cushion support for headresters, as well as cozy nestling nooks for burrowers. Sleep surface. The sleep surface is lined with ultra plush faux fur, while the bolsters are wrapped in easy care micro suede. Both are soft to touch fabrics that no pet could ever resist snuggling into.